It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C here, and we are writing the equation of a line with the slope of -3 that passes through the point 10, -4. So it doesn't say what type of equation we're writing, so we could write this in slope-intercept form, or we could write this in slope-point form. I'm going to go ahead and start by writing this in slope-intercept form, and then I'll show you how to do it the other way. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. I'm going to go ahead and plug in what we already know. So we already know our slope is -3, so that's what goes in for m. And we know that we have a point. So here is how I like to do this. Everywhere I see y, I'm going to put my y coordinate. That's -4. Everywhere I see x, I'm going to put my x coordinate. And in this case, it's +10. And the variable that we're left with is b. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. So I have -4 equals -3 times 10, which is -30, plus b. I'm going to get b by itself. So I'm adding 30 to both sides. When I do that, I end up with 26 equals b. So b is our y-intercept. We are super close to being done. All we have to do is replace b with 26, and we have our final equation. So I'm going to do that down here. We have y equals -3 plus 26, or you could write it as y equals 26 minus 3x. These are both equivalent. You can write them either way. Now, if we wanted to write this in point slope form, we could say y equals y1 plus m times x minus x1. So again, we know the slope, and we also have a point, so we could say we also know the y1 coordinate and the x1 coordinate. So I'm going to go ahead and do some substitution here. So y equals, I'm going to go ahead and plug in my y1 value, which is -4. And for m is our slope of -3. I'm going to put that in green. Okay. X stays the same. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my x coordinate, which in this case is 10. Okay, and I'm going to just go ahead and rewrite this in a slightly neater way. And if we are to write our equation in point slope form, this is the final equation. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time, remember, you've got this.